Service goes to Raigada, score 5-8. Score 5-8. What a changing by Raigada team players. What a rising, changing players. Score 5-8. Yes, this is game. This is game. This is Daba volleyball from Tarap Singh grounds. What a game here. Score 5-8. I think this is tension match because Raigada changing. What a shot. Right ball. What a shot. Versus Raigada. Tarap Singh score 8. Raigada score 6. What a match. Game is running. This is Tarap Singh grounds. What a match. Morning match, first match. Score 6-8. Tarap Singh score 8. Raigada score 6. Yes. Weather is very cool. What a shot. Right, service goes to Raigada. Score equal. Score saman. 8-8. 8 saman. 8 equal. 8 all. What a match. 50-50. What a match. This is morning match. Raigada versus Tarap Singh. Score 8-8. 8 equal. 8 all. Who is won? Who is lost this match? 50-50. 8. Raigada 8, Tarap Singh 8. What a match. What a chasing by Raigada players. What a chasing. Score 8 equal, 8 all. I think this is an effective match. This is challenging match, I think. Because Raigada players playing well. All players playing as well. Score is saman, 8 equal, 8 all. What a tension match. What an interesting match. Jadabai versus Santosh. Out ball. Service goes to Tarap Singh. Score 9 equal. 9 all. 9 saman. What a match here. What a tension match. Who is won? Who is lost? 50-50. Tarap Singh versus Rayagada. 50-50 chances. Yes, this is game. 9-9. 9 equal. 9 saman. Rayagada 9. Tarap Singh 9. Who is won? Who is lost? What a match. This morning, first match. This is, I think, tension match. Very tension because points are equal. But who is win? Who is lost? Please watch this match. Yes. Right, service goes to Rayagada. Final ball, last ball, game ball. Right, won by chance, Rayagada team. This is last ball, final ball. What a match, what a chasing by Rayagada players. What a match here. This is the game, Daba volleyball from Tarap Singh grounds. What a chasing players. Rayagada players score game 9. Rayagada game ball, last ball, final ball. This is the game, Rayagada team players. What a match here. This is the Daba volleyball from Tarap grounds. Yes, Jadabai versus Santosh. This is good game. Out. Good ball. Yes, won by Rayagada team.